Looks like it's just you and me today. We've had quite a bit of rain here the past few days, and I can definitely see a change in water depth. Looks like we have risen quite a few inches. I may go ahead and start out by throwing topwater. And my first lure is going to be this topwater frog. Nice hook set on the topwater frog, beautiful bluegill. Check out the stripes. Oh, let me get him unhooked. I am rigging up a small weightless nymph now. Let's see how they react to this. And if you look right there, you can see that water flowing right between those tree roots and these branches right over here. I'm trying to cast right up in there to see if there may be a fish hiding right there, waiting for some food. What we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, beautiful red breast. Beautiful red breast. I dropped him on the ground, but check that out. I love putting these guys inside of my pond. Another red breast, another red breast. Yes, a beautiful one too. Here, let me give you a close-up. Whoa. No. Oh, he got away. I cannot believe that just happened. What we got? What do we got? What do we got? Come on, come on. Another beautiful red breast. God almighty. Fish on, come on. Stay out of that. Get up here. Man, I'm on a red breast streak. What do we have here? What do we have here? Baby redbreast. Add to my redbreast streak of the day. Yes. What do we got? What do we got? A warmouth. All right, one of my favorites. Check that out. Back home at the pond now. Let's get these fish out and add it to their new home. Fish number one is going to be a redbreast. Oh, got some nice orange in the tail. Let's go ahead and get him released. Fish number two is going to be another redbreast. Look at those blues and oranges. Nice lightning bolts in the face. Oh, there you go. Number three. Oh, dropped him. Number three is another redbreast, the biggest one so far and the prettiest one. Look at that fish. Nice fish. Oh, it just stuck me. Fish number four is a baby redbreast. Here you go, little baby. And fish number five, that means has got to be my favorite, the warmouth. And his tail's been beat up, probably been spawning on beds. Got some nice spotting and red outline here in the upper fin. Here you go, buddy. And that's it for today.